All right, guys, today we are going to be doing outlet. This one's all fucked up on a Champion. It's pretty much the same 3500, 3000, the 4000s. Any generator in general really is going to have basically the same concept for an outlet. I got a nice new outlet here to go into it. You can use any household outlet. This is just like a normal household outlet, really. Nothing fancy about it at all. I'll put this in the description below. Just click on the link. All right, guys. We're going to take out these 4 10 millimeters. Take them right on out. Hector's the star of the show today. Say hi. I'm selling this shop to Hector, so I get to walk him through it and get a bunch of videos done at the same time, just so he gets a good concept on some of the stuff he doesn't know how to do. 2 over there. I don't believe there's any up top. Nope, just those 4. I will continue doing the videos, but I'm going to move up from South Florida to Ocala, and I'm going to concentrate more on the videos up there. The shop takes up all my time. I'll get that. Hold on, I'm going to pause you. So we're going to pull this down. All right. Usually there's like a plug in the back, but we ain't got that. So it'll all come unplugged. But we're going to have a couple of Phillips heads in the back. You got that one there. This one over here. Going to undo them. Usually there's like a little plug. You can unplug it and it's all nice. Oh, hold on. I got a customer that likes to waste my time a lot. You can go ahead and take them out. All right, he's got another Phillips back there he's getting. All right, so we just kind of pull that up out of the way. This is the guy that we're going to be messing with right here. So we're going to go ahead and unbolt these 2 bolts. It's going to be 8 millimeter on the back and Felipe's head on the front. So we're going to unbolt those 2. You got Phillips. Where'd you put it? Pocket? There we go. Hold it. I believe it's a 7. Okay, 7. Here, just use your fingers, dude. I've already broken it free. Just hold it. I'm going to put that back together just so you don't lose them. Stick them in your little magnet hole. You'll hold this up a little bit for me so I can get to this one here. Alright, just hold that one. Got it? Yep. Alright. Oh, good job. Throw one on the floor so you lose it. Alright. So you see how it goes. So if we're looking at the front, red's the right, white's the left, green's the bottom left. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take them off. Here, you can go ahead and do that, right? Let's get them off. You have to take it all the way out because it's an eyelet, a loop. Here, you want to hold the camera? And try it. It might need a flathead too, because if it's not grabbing, yeah, we need a flathead. Here's the flathead. Let's try that. If we got to, we'll drill that bugger out. Golly. Alright, pause. Alright, so sometimes these things strip out, but if you just drill the very center of the bolt, you can get the head of the bolt right on out of there. You know, sometimes. And this is a broken one. Pause it. Alright, we got the one that's not broken. There we go. Just gonna get it right in the middle. Just get it started. It's getting there. This is gonna die. The battery's dead. God damn it.
Other one's on the charger.
Just trying to hold it. There. See that head fell right off of it? And then the eyelet's still there. Alright, let me try to get the other ones broken free. So red, right, white's the left, green's the left. Come on, boy. I don't have to drill all of these out. I'll get one. Use some shirt for more traction. No, it broke free, yes. Let's get this other one broken free. There, it broke free. Woo! They were fighting me. So just drilled the head right off of it. Sometimes you got to, but the head is much bigger than the shaft. So pop it off and you can use your wiring. Okay. So get rid of this old one. This bolt. Alright, then we're going to take the bolt out of the bolt out of the top of this one. That's going to be the white. My hands are shaking like I need a beer. Holy crap. It's the end of the day too, so we've been busting butt all day. Alright, so we're going to put the white one on the top, the green one on the bottom. Green is ground, white is common, black is hot. So it's best to do all this when the generator is off. But who am I to tell you any different?
Zap!
The white one's on there nice and tight. And we'll get the green one started. You can tell the bottom's ground because it's hooked to all this other stuff. And then the black one goes on this side, or it's a red one. Red is hot. Red or black is hot. When you do 220, you have white, black, red. White's common, red's 120, black is 120, which makes your 240 circuit. Oh, I just dropped a washer in there. And it went bye-bye, so I'll just grab one of these other ones. It'll go right down in that sink.
It's right here.
Okay, I got this one right here. It's alright. And the other ones. Come on. All right, we got those in. Then we're gonna stick this outlet right back in its spot like it's supposed to go. Where's those nuts and bolts? Right here. We're gonna freaking bolt it back down. Get the other one, get it in. Phillips head. I got it. You can hold these nuts and just tighten these bolts down. This isn't some extreme amount of pressure. And once the bolts grab, boom, they're fine. Once the nuts grab, I mean, they're fine. Boom. And you're gonna get all this pulled down in place here. Try to find where it all goes. One is longer, freaking. Where's the bolts for that?
They're all on the same.
Oh,
It's the longest one.
Yeah, yeah, there we go. So we're gonna just kind of get this lined up. Try to find the spot it threads into. There it is. We're going to get that one nice and started in there so that it can't fall on us when we do the other ones. That's good and started.
The shorter one is in the back.
Okay.
Okay.
So they're all the same length.
Makes sense.
Yeah, they're all the same length. Okay, let's try this one first. Wish they would just let us unplug these. This would have been a lot easier if you could have unplugged it. Is it tightening or not tightening? Yeah, it's tightening, isn't it? Yes, it is. Alright, now we're going to tighten them all down. We got them all started. And then we got 4 10mm bolts. Watch out real quick. That's pretty much it, guys. You see that outlet's nice and new now, ready to rock and roll. I'll tighten these 410s down. This is something I would charge, usually 40 to 60 bucks, somewhere around there. I'm gonna charge this guy 40 because I've done a bunch of other work to his machine, and every little bit he's asked me to do he's cried about, which really should make me charge more. How much you're gonna really charge on a little used piece of machinery like this, you know? Alright guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, Click the notification bell. All that helps us very much so we can keep doing these videos. I'll put the parts in the description below. Just click the link. Peace.